Hi, I am Jona A. Sebastian from section Irexi P6 124. So let's start. This sample problem video presentation is from Incline planes. So for our example, the coefficient of kinetic friction for a 22 kilogram box on a ramp is 0.10. What force is required to push it down along a 6 degrees incline and achieve a speed of 60 km per hour at the end of 75 meters? So, for example, this is the box. Nandito yung ramp with the 6 degrees. And nandito yung box. And meron siyang force applied. And nandito yung friction. Meron yung box na weight. And merong normal force na binabalik yung floor or yung ramp doon sa box. So, kung lalagay natin siya sa free body diagram, so ito yung force applied. Ito yung friction. And ito yung weight. Ayan, yan. Ito siya, oh. Pag ganun siya. So, ginanon ko lang para yung weight lang yung makukuha na natin na weight X and yung weight Y. Kasi pag silang lahat, meron akong FAX dito, meron din akong FAY dito. So, ganun din. Na yung weight na lang yung nag-adjust. So, summation of forces that act on the box is equals to force applied plus, meron tayong WX dito, weight X, minus friction. So, summation of Fx is equals to MAX. So, meron tayong acceleration. So, equal sila. Pwede natin gawing equal siya kay MAX is equals to FA weight plus weight X minus friction force. So, ngayon, hindi natin alam yung acceleration. So, hindi natin sila ma-solve. Kasi nga, wala tayong acceleration. Pero meron namang given na speed, velocity, and position. So, pwede natin siyang makuha by the formula from kinematics, which is V squared is equals to V initial plus 2 acceleration multiplied by position minus initial position. So, V is 0 at rest. So, 0 rin to. Kasi, imagine, andito yung box. So, ito yung X, O is equals to 0. And X is equals to 75 meter. Yung velocity niya is 0 din. Initial velocity, 0 rin. And yung velocity niya is equals to 60 km per hour. So, hindi natin sila masasolve kasi magkaiba sila. Ito naka-meter, ito naka-kilometer per hour. So, kung i-convert natin ito, V, magiging equal na siya kay 16.67 meter per second. Ayan, parehas silang meter, tsaka naka-second na. So, V squared is equals to 2AX. So, inanap natin yung A, X, 2x. So, ngayon, acceleration is equals to v squared over 2x. So, equal na siya ngayon kay v squared natin, yung v natin is 16.67 meter per second squared. So, over siya kay 2 multiplied by 75 meter. So, equal na tayo ngayon kay acceleration is equals to 1.853 meter per second squared. So, now, meron na tayong meter per second squared na acceleration. So, pwede na natin siyang i-solve. So, ang hinahanap natin in this problem is what force is required. So, FA. Or force applied yung hinahanap natin. Force applied is equals to MAX minus weight X plus friction. So now, sa-substitute lang natin. So mass natin is 22 kilogram multiplied by acceleration natin is 1.853 meter per second squared. Yung nakuha natin kanina sa acceleration by formula of kinematics. Minus, weight natin is equals to as multiplied by gravity sine 6 degrees kasi naka-incline siya. So, mass natin is 22 kilogram multiplied by 9.81 meter per second squared sine 6 degrees plus friction. Now, yung friction is hindi pa natin alam yung value. Kasi hindi pa natin alam yung value ng normal force. So, kukunin muna natin yung value ng normal force. So, normal force, summation of Fy is equals to summation of forces that act on y direction is equals to, nandito yung normal force. So, yan. Summation of forces that act in y direction is equals to normal force minus weight y. So, summation of F of y is equals to, from Newton's second law of motion, so 0 ito. So, 0 to. So, 0 to. So, Fn is equals to weight y. Ito na ngayon yung magiging formula ng normal forces. So, Fn is equals to, weight natin is mass multiplied by gravity. So, mass natin is 22 kilogram multiplied by 9.81 meter per second cosine 6 degrees. So, ito yung ilalagay natin sa friction. So, ang friction kasi is equal siya kay, yung friction na to equal siya kay UK multiplied by normal force. Yan ang equal ng friction. So, friction now is equals to 0.10 multiplied by normal force is 22 kilogram multiplied by 9.81 meter per second multiplied cosine 6 degrees. So now, ganito na yung magiging picture niyan pag sinubstitute natin lahat ng value ng nakuha natin. So, force applied, pag i-solve natin yan sa calcu, it's equal to 20.46 Newton. Ito yung force na kailangan para yung box is ma-achieve niya yung 60 km per hour at the end of 75 meter. Incline that the ramp is 6 degrees.